Hello again with CS50, web programming with Python and JavaScript, doing commerce now. I have to rush in order to test all the required functionalities. Now we're on the home page, just as a regular user here in Firefox. In Chrome we're going to use the super user. So we're having all of the active listings here. We're going to try and create a new one. So I'm going to use this weapon here. Let's add a description. Let's have a photo. Right, and the category is Morningstar. It's predefined categories. Now we're going to save this, and voila! Above all of the others, we're having the new listing. It's one of the listings that this user has created, which can be filtered in my listings. Now, in order to test all of the functionalities, let's open a listing that is not created by this user. We can add and remove it from Watchlist. If we add it, the Schmitter is going to appear here. If we remove it, it's no longer in the watchlist, working fine. If we want to add a comment, this is a comment. There we are, our user. This is our first name. If we want to edit it, edit, and we're gonna be able to delete it as well. But that's gonna be saved for later. Now, if we want to place a bid, it should be equal or greater than the starting price. So it shows us that we can't use 300. If it's 480, we have one bid here. We can actually create more bids, and it's going to keep the highest one. So 500 is current one. If it's 590, it's not gonna be accepted. So the user that created this can enter here, and it can make the listing no longer active, which makes the auction now closed because there is already bid, which means that I cannot reactivate it again. This user can see the closed auction page, and he sees that he's already the winner. So the listing is no longer in the active listing slot. Now we have to check the categories. Now, if we want to see all of the short swords, here we are. We're seeing all of them. If we want to see short swords and daggers, perfect functionality. If we don't select any of the checkboxes, we're going to see all of the listings. And it seems that that's all of the... Oh, actually, forgot about the admin of Django. Now here we are, and we can see the two bits that were just created. We can just erase them, along with the comment that was created earlier. Also, it can be done like that, and actually we can edit the listings. For instance, like I can set the number of bits to 0 because it can be reactivated again, and actually I can erase the whole listing that I just created from here, and voila, it's working. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.